If you go to Kajabi's website directly, you'll see this 14-day free trial offer. But I've given an exclusive link in the video description, which will give you an extended Kajabi trial for 30 days. Simply click on the first link down below, and you'll be taken to this page. Here, you need to create a Kajabi account. You can either enter your email here, or simply continue with your Gmail. For now, I will continue with the Gmail. Once you sign up, you'll see a page like this. Here, you need to enter your details, such as your name and your card details. And don't worry, Kajabi won't charge you money right away. The money will be charged after your free trial ends. And Kajabi also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on top of the free trial, which is another security for you. So, enter these details, and then click on this Start Free Trial button. Next, it will ask you these questions. These are some survey questions, like what is your industry, how many contacts you have, etc. So simply select the answer from the drop-down. Once it's done, click on the Continue button. Next, you need to enter your address here and confirm. And now you'll be taken to the Kajabi dashboard. If you go to Settings on the left, and then go to Subscriptions, you'll see the trial end time. And now you can go back to your dashboard and start setting up your business. The 30-day trial link is given in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like these.